This is another M Visions exclusive.
Run around with my niggas and we smoking weed. Straight drove for the low, no sticks, no seeds. Cops patrolling, I know they trying to get me. Got 2 pounds in the trunk and 2 straps with me. I'm from Gutterville, get your head squeezed like I'm making orange juice. No coke please. Pussy niggas gonna bleed, talking about they wanna make a sandwich but got no cheese. For real. Take me to the hood, I bet I get recognized. You try to flex in my hood, you gon' get exercise. I'm a decorated soldier in my neighborhood. Trap City, if he ain't got it, then the neighbor should. He got a weapon cachet with more ammunition than the Navy SEALs. No competition. Who gonna witness? Silencer on my gun case closed, I murked the witness. I'm not bullshitting. I do bad by myself, I don't need nobody help. Listen like a seashell, I'm strapped like a seatbelt. I'm smoking loud, you smoking stealth. My bitch bad, your bitch just left. Get your cardio up when you fucking with the best. Try to pay chase me, gon' run out of breath. Kush clouds are the best to the chest. Y'all cuffing these hoes like they under arrest. I fuck one of these hoes, then I give her a rest. Yo bitch swallow me whole while she getting undressed. I left her face a mess. I hit her with the flex. She call me all day. I just hit her with a text, but don't get it twisted. I'm right back to the money like Winnie Pooh to the honey. I keep eating, staying hungry. I'm blowed like a nigga knows when he got a cold flow. Froze like an Eskimo, turn fire to snow. My shit go and everybody knows like cocaine blow. I'm so dope, I should be so. I be high as Derrick Rose. I goes in like a dildo. I know I got a crazy flow. Get retarded in this bitch. Nigga call me radio. And you know I got them stupid hoes to smoking Fruity Joe. Light Skittles, taste the rainbow. I like your bitch ass high in the head low. Face in the pillow. If she goes live, then I fuck her like a nympho. She bend over, pop that pussy like a pimple. Nothing too basic or simple. And when I let go, I aim high for her temple. Talking dummy in my town, you can get pedigreed. I'm talking Triple H, WWE. Niggas talking cash, talk is cheap. Get Crash Bandicooted off your feet. And if it gets deep, more casualties, I'll break your ass off like a puzzle piece. And you ain't Humpty Dumpty, you ain't getting pieced together. It could be worse, shredded up like a cheese grater.